How to redeem eBay gift card. Hello everyone, and today in this instructional video, I'll guide you through the seamless process of redeeming a gift card on the renowned platform eBay. Redeeming a gift card on eBay is a swift and effortless task. Simply follow the outlined steps meticulously and ensure you watch the video until the very end to grasp the entire process thoroughly. If you're a first-time viewer, consider subscribing to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button and activate the bell icon to stay updated on all of our latest releases. To comments, initiate by launching a web browser and inputting ebay.com in the search bar and hit enter. Proceed to sign in to your eBay account if prompt, and once successfully logged in, proceed to select the desired product either from the homepage or by exploring various popular categories showcased on the screen. Upon selecting your desired item, now you can have the opportunity to redeem your gift card during the payment phase. Select the quantity of the product you wish to purchase and proceed by clicking on Buy It Now option. Upon reaching the checkout page, navigate to the bottom and input the gift card details, coupons, or eBay box code into the designated text field. Scratch off the protective layer on your gift card to reveal the code and enter it into the text field accordingly. Upon completion of this step, click on Apply and OK. Any remaining balance post-redemption will be retained on the card for your subsequent eBay transactions. This elucidates the straightforward process of redeeming your gift card on eBay. We trust that this tutorial has been informative and beneficial to you. If you found this video helpful, kindly show your support by giving us a thumbs up, and feel free to drop your queries or feedback in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more enlightening tutorial episodes. Farewell until the next time. Thank you for watching.